Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is 18C333A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone Destination tires. Running boards on the side. Inside cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side. You have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.